lot of people want to break into technology, but there's one problem. They think they need a computer science degree, or years of experience, or advanced coding skills. The truth is that many successful IT professionals started with something much simpler: a certification. In fact, some of the best entry-level technology careers can be accessed through certifications that cost a fraction of a college degree. And because technology continues growing across every industry, employers are constantly searching for people with practical skills. The challenge isn't finding opportunities, the challenge is knowing where to start. So today we're breaking down the best entry-level IT certifications, what they teach, which careers they can lead to, and which ones offer the best return on your time and money. Let's get started. The first certification on this list is CompTIA A+. If you're completely new to technology, this is often the best starting point. CompTIA A+ teaches the fundamentals of computers, hardware, operating systems, mobile devices, networking, troubleshooting, and basic cybersecurity concepts. Think of it as learning the language of IT. Many employers view A+ as proof that you understand core technology concepts. This certification is commonly associated with entry-level positions such as help desk technician, IT support specialist, desktop support technician, technical support representative. For beginners with little or no experience, CompTIA A+ remains one of the safest places to start. Next is CompTIA Network Plus. Once you understand basic computer systems, networking becomes the next logical step. Every business depends on networks. Computers need to communicate. Servers need to communicate. Devices need internet access. Network Plus teaches how those systems work together. Topics include network infrastructure, wireless networks, network troubleshooting, IP addressing, security basics, cloud networking concepts. Networking knowledge creates opportunities in nearly every area of IT. Even cybersecurity professionals rely heavily on networking knowledge. This certification helps build a strong technical foundation for future growth. Now let's talk about one of the most valuable beginner certifications in technology, CompTIA Security Plus. Cybersecurity continues growing every year. Businesses are constantly facing cyber threats, data breaches, ransomware attacks, identity theft, and security vulnerabilities. Security Plus introduces topics such as risk management, threat detection, security controls, identity management, network security, incident response. This certification is often considered the entry point into cybersecurity careers. Many employers specifically recognize Security Plus because it focuses on practical security concepts rather than advanced theory. For people interested in cybersecurity, this is often the first certification worth pursuing. Another excellent option is the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. This program was designed specifically for beginners. Unlike some certifications that assume prior knowledge, Google focuses on teaching foundational skills from the ground up. Topics include computer systems, networking, operating systems, troubleshooting, customer support, technical problem solving. Many people use this certification as a stepping stone toward help desk and IT support careers. It's especially attractive for career changers because the learning path is beginner-friendly. For someone starting from absolute zero, this can be a great confidence builder. The AWS Cloud Practitioner certification introduces cloud concepts, cloud services, pricing models. Now let's move into cloud computing. Cloud technology powers much of the modern internet. Companies rely on cloud platforms to store information, run applications, and support business operations. Amazon Web Services, commonly called AWS, is one of the largest cloud providers in the world. Security basics, infrastructure fundamentals, cloud knowledge is becoming valuable in nearly every IT career. Another strong beginner certification is Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. Just like AWS, Azure powers cloud infrastructure for businesses around the world. Azure Fundamentals introduces cloud computing, virtual machines, networking, storage solutions, security concepts, business applications. Many organizations use Microsoft products extensively. That means Azure skills continue growing in demand. This certification is beginner-friendly and provides exposure to cloud technologies without requiring advanced technical experience. Now let's discuss a certification many people overlook: Salesforce Administrator. Salesforce is one of the most widely used business platforms in the world. Companies use it to manage customers, sales processes, reporting, workflows, and business operations. Salesforce administrators help manage and configure those systems. Unlike many technology careers, Salesforce often combines technical skills with business knowledge. Many professionals enter this field without computer science degrees. The certification requires effort, but it can lead to strong career opportunities and remote work possibilities. For people who enjoy technology but also like business processes, Salesforce can be an excellent path. Many successful IT professionals started with a single certification. And for some viewers watching this video, that first certification could become the beginning of an entirely new career. Visualization tools, reporting, business insights, problem solving. The Google Data Analytics Certificate introduces data interpretation, spreadsheets. This program provides a beginner-friendly introduction to analytics and can help people explore whether data careers are right for them. Data analytics continues growing because organizations increasingly rely on data-driven decision-making. Now let's discuss Cisco. Cisco has long been one of the most respected names in networking. Many networking professionals eventually pursue Cisco certifications. While some Cisco certifications are advanced, beginner-level networking education can provide excellent career opportunities. Networking remains one of the core foundations of modern technology. Every cloud platform, every business system, every cybersecurity environment depends on networking. People who understand networks often have more career options available later. Now let's answer the biggest question. Which certification should you start with? The answer depends on your goals. If you're completely new to technology, start with CompTIA A+. If you're interested in cybersecurity, consider Security Plus after building foundational knowledge. If cloud computing interests you, AWS Cloud Practitioner or Azure Fundamentals are excellent starting points. If you enjoy business systems, Salesforce Administrator may be worth exploring. If data interests you, Google Data Analytics can provide a strong introduction. The key is choosing a direction rather than trying to learn everything at once. Here's the mistake many beginners make. They spend months researching certifications, watching videos, reading forums, comparing options, and never actually start. No certification guarantees a job, but certifications help demonstrate skills, and skills create opportunities. The people who succeed in technology are often the people who start learning, gain experience, build projects, and keep improving over time. Progress beats perfection every single time. Technology continues creating opportunities for people willing to learn. You don't need a computer science degree to begin. You don't need to know how to code on day one. And you don't need years of experience before getting started. What you need is a plan, a learning path, and the willingness to keep moving forward. Many successful IT professionals started with a single certification, and for some viewers watching this video, that first certification could become the beginning of an entirely new career. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more breakdowns on technology careers, healthcare careers, trade careers, certifications, salaries, and realistic ways to improve your income without wasting years on the wrong path. And comment below. If you were starting an IT career tomorrow, which certification would you choose first?